also because it's really creating the script to the movie that's going to be shot out on the shop floor. It has to include quality, and it has to include industrial engineering, because the quality guys are going to make sure that you have inspection points in there for making sure that you're following the engineering, and you're producing things to the engineering. The industrial engineers are going to sit there and do time studies, and they're going to say, that particular operation at that work center, I'm allowing you an hour to do that. And they always look at it as, I'm going to do a time study for how long does it take you to build one part, because then if your order quantity is 10, you just multiply that by 10, and now you've got the time span the time that it's going to take to accomplish the work that's at that operation work center.
Which then lets you do planning and that kind of thing.